All right, we're going to make a very cute, very simple miniature DIY. You're just going to need either some toothpicks or some matches or both because they make a little bit different. Some scissors, some markers, color pencils, stuff like that. You'll see what I need. Really cute. I love this. So with a toothpick, you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut it in half or about, whatever. It doesn't have to be perfect. You have to measure it out, just kind of cut. And then you're going to, I usually have my little hand sander. I don't know where that thing is at, but here we're just going to use a nail file. It's fine. It's just a little piece of wood. It'll work just fine. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. It has been a while since I posted a DIY, and I really, really wanted to do this. I've been wanting to show this for a while, and I don't know why I haven't, but here we are. So you're going to take that, you're going to sand it down and kind of just smooth it out. You don't want it to be rough or whatever. And sometimes, toothpicks and the matchbooks, the match sticks can be kind of rough. So we're just going to sand them down a little bit, get those little rough edges out. And it helps when you're doing the next step as well. So yeah. So we're just going to do that. I'm going to do this real quick. You can, you can use sandpaper if you want to, but I thought about this a while ago and just never did it. So then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife, and this is the match. The end that doesn't have the striking part, you're just going to whittle it down to a point. And you might see where we're going with this. It's super cute. We're going to make little pencils and little color pencils. Oh, can you see me? Let me zoom in a little bit here so you can actually see what I'm doing. There we go. All right. So you're going to take it and you're going to whittle it down just a little bit. I'm going to do both of them because I want to make two. Just carefully. And don't do too much because then it'll just break off. So whittle it down, whittle it down. It feels like I'm like back in the day. I used to sharpen my pencils like this when I couldn't find my when I couldn't find my pencil sharpener. All right, so the toothpicks are already pointed, so I usually just file down the tips just a little bit because they're kind of long usually. So I just kind of file them down, smooth them out, the tips, so that's just a little bit shorter. Then for the toothpick, what you're going to do to make a pencil is you're going to take a black Sharpie or a black marker or whatever, and you're going to color the tip black. All right. And I'm going to do these two also just because I have the marker open and out already, so might as well instead of going back to it. So just going to do the little tip of it. And just like that, you can kind of already see it on the matchsticks there. So then for the toothpick, you're going to have to use a pink marker, Sharpie, pen, whatever you have. I have these little Sharpies that I got from the Dollar Tree during like back to school. So they work perfectly. I'm just going to do the little eraser on there. Make sure you color the tip there. And you're just going to do that. All right, so now you got an eraser. And you can use like a Crayola marker or whatever kind of marker you have. And then I have this yellow one. I'm going to see if it's working. Yeah, this one's dried out. My daughter was using it and I think she messed up the tip of it. But I have this yellow like color pencil that I got from the Dollar Tree and it also works. So you're just going to take it and you're going to color your pencil. Now, there's other colors of pencils, but usually, generally, pencils are yellow. So that's why we're doing yellow. But of course, you know whatever color you want. And I'm going to do a colored pencil as well, just like a not a pencil pencil, but a color pencil. So you'll see how that looks here shortly. Just make sure you get all around it. Oops, I'm sorry, I thought I was in shot there. So you can see the color is getting on there. So you see it coming together there, the side, okay. And then I'm gonna do these as well. Oops, I got marker all over me. So I'm gonna do my matchstick as well. Oh, this hurts. It's sharp. But yeah, you can use any, anything, markers, paint. You can paint them if you want to. Of course, then you just have to wait for them to dry, which I'm impatient, so that doesn't really work for me. And I love making miniatures out of, stuff that you have at home, things that you can find anywhere. Sometimes, there was a time I couldn't afford getting dollhouse furniture when I was younger, and I used to make so many different things. I'm not real good with clay. I'm just not very good at it. I don't know why. When we played with Play-Doh when I was younger, if there wasn't a mold, yeah, I probably wasn't going to be playing with it. Because I just, couldn't, like everybody else would try or they were making all these things, and I'm sitting there like, it's not working for me. So, yeah. So there's the yellow. Let me close this so I don't cut myself. And then, oh, I don't have my metallic one. Where are you? All right. So then again, from the Dollar Tree, I got this little metallic silver marker. So you're going to go along the bottom where the metal part of the pencil usually is. Just going to color it in. It doesn't have to be perfect, but of course, as you do it, you can make it however you want. I'm going to leave this one natural just because I think it's kind of cute that there's, they have those, oh, I can't breathe, those natural pencils, So I like it. So I'm just going to leave this one natural. Then I'm going to do the little toothpick one as well. I'm just going to go around. There we go. All right. Then, where's my lid at? I'm going to make this other side of the toothpick into a colored pencil. So it's the same idea. You're just going to go ahead, color the bottom part here. And again, you can use whatever you have to do this. You don't have to use markers, but during back to school time, Dollar Tree had all these Sharpies in different colors, so I grabbed every color they had, and I wish they would have had some other ones, but these were the ones I found. So I'm just using them because, again, I have them. And then just make sure you got all the sides there, and then color your tip. And you have yourself a cute little color pencil. So yeah, that's that simple. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pen holder. So this is just a spray bottle, like lid, and I'm just going to take some washi tape. This one doesn't stick very well, so you got to kind of make sure you get some good washi tape. And I'm just going to go, I guess, around the middle here. Come on, go straight. This one kind of came off the roll there. So you can put it wherever. You can use washi tape, you can use a ribbon, you can paint it, you can do whatever you want. If you happen to have something in a different shape that you want to use, go for it. Oops, this was just the easiest, cheapest route that I could find. It's not even, it's okay though. And then just cut that right there. And then you got yourself a little pen holder, or pen, oops, the tape got stuck to my finger. Then you've got yourself a cute little, oops, pencil holder. Now, of course, these are two different scales. I don't really know which scale is which. I'm guessing this is probably 112 and this is 1/6 maybe. I'm not really sure. I don't usually measure like that. I just kind of go with the flow. But yeah, so there you go. You've got yourself a cute little pen holder. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how I made this little clipboard. So that is it for today, guys. Until next time, be blessed. Be the reason someone smiles. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Check me out over on TikTok and Instagram, Facebook. I'm trying to get better about posting on all these social medias just so that everybody can see what I've got to offer. All right, that is it, guys. Have a good one. Bye.